Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed exercise 2.1. Now today we will start from Indian place value chart. Let's start with the place value chart. Students, you can see in this table, this is ones, thousand and lakhs. One में क्या क्या होता है students? Ones, tens, hundred. Thousand में 10,000 and 10,000. And in lakhs only lakh and 10 lakhs. I repeat it again students. Ones, tens, hundred. ये किस में आएगा? Only ones में. And in thousand, thousand and 10,000. And in lakhs, lakh and 10 lakh. The place value increases from right to left. स्टूडेंट्स हम प्लेस वैल्यू के चार्ट को हमेशा कहाँ से रीड करेंगे? फ्रॉम द राइट टू लेफ्ट. प्लेस वैल्यू वेरीज बिटवीन टू successive place by a factor of 10. Let us arrange numerals. Students, there are some numerals we have to arrange in the table. You can see this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो हमने इसको कैसे लिख रखा है स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज 63,894. तो हमने क्या कर रखा है स्टूडेंट्स? ones दैट इज 4, tens दैट इज 9, 8 दैट इज 800, 1000 दैट इज 0 and 10,000 दैट इज 30,000 and in lakh that is 6 lakh. तो ये क्या बन गया स्टूडेंट्स? 6,30,894. ओके, नेक्स्ट ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड स्टार्ट हम कहाँ से करेंगे? फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड दैट इज वंस, दैट इज 875,371, दैट इज 1,73,578. Now move to the next one, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, that is 2,37,429. आपको कैसे लिखना है इसको? ones, thousand and lakhs, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now students, move to the next. Now place value of a digit is the product of the digit and the place value of the place it lies. Students, क्या होता है place value? For example, मैंने अगर आपको बोला tell me the place value of 6, that is 60. Place value क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? एक तो होता है place value पर्टिकुलर. हमको जैसे ये नंबर है 3789, मैंने बोला कि मुझे 9 की place value बताए, तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका? 80. बट व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू? फेस वैल्यू अगर मैं आपको बोलूं टेल मी द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 9, तो 9 की फेस वैल्यू क्या रहेगी? 9. दैट इज अब इसमें बोला है प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2, तो 2 की फेस वैल्यू 2 ही रहेगी. अगर मैं बोलूं प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 0, इट विल बी 0. राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द डिजिट्स. ये क्या बोल रहा है? प्लेस वैल्यू बोल रहा है किसकी? ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, that is 2,84,067. अब मुझे इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है. यू कैन सी हेयर, यू कैन सी 7 की हो गई ones, 6 की हो गई tens, ones, tens, 100, 1000, this is 10,000 and this is lakh. तो स्टार्ट हमेशा हम कहाँ से करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज फ्रॉम दी राइट हैंड साइड, दैट इज ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. To get the place value of the digit, first write down the digit and put as many zeros to its right side as there are digits to its right. Now you can again see, अभी हमको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में बोला है फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ बोथ दी सेवेंस. तो इसमें जो डिजिट है सिर्फ हमको 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है. तो 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू एक यहाँ पे है और एक यहाँ पे है. तो स्टार्ट हम कहाँ से करेंगे? फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. ones, tens, this is 100, then 1000, 10,000 and this is lakh. Understand students? Now move to the third example. Write each of the following numerals by separating the periods. You can see students, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is 52,849. अब हमको क्या करना है? इसकी प्लेस वैल्यूज में लिखना है. दैट इज वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो हमने इसको क्या किया? प्लेस वैल्यू को अकॉर्डिंग टू दी प्लेस वैल्यू लिख दिया. नाउ वी हैव टू पुट दी कॉमास. तो स्टूडेंट्स कॉमा कब आएंगे? वंस, टेंस, 100. तो 100 के बाद देन 1000 एंड 10,000. देन अगेन 10,000 के बाद देन lakh and 10 lakh. You can see in this ones, tens, 100. तो यहाँ क्या आया? कॉमा. You can see in this ones, tens, 100, then again comma, then 1000, 10,000, again comma. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने जैसे इस टेबल में देखा है, you can see in this table, आप ये टेबल देख रहे हो स्टूडेंट्स, तो कॉमा भी कैसे लगेंगे? ones, tens, 100. फिर यहाँ हम कॉमा यूज करेंगे. then 1000, 10,000, again we will use comma, then lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now move to the example number 4. That is, write the numbers for each of the following numerals. Students, you can see here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is 53,069. You have to write in the number words. That is 53,069. Move to the next. That is B part. Again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे वर्ड्स में? That is 3,21,875. Now move to the next part. Again ये किस में है students? You can see this is lakh. We will starting from the 5,69,328. So this is the example. Now move to the exercise. That is 2.2. Let's start with the first one. Prepare a place value chart in your notebook. Represent the following numbers in the place value chart. Students, you have to draw the place value chart. First question, that is, first you have to write the exercise 2.2. Then you have to write the question number 1 from your book. Start from the first, you have to draw the table. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. First we have to write the first part, that is 319. Students, आप कैसे लिखोगे इसको? You have to start from the right hand side. 319. Now move to the next part, that is B part. 5, 3, 7, 8. That is 5,378. हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? फ्रॉम दी राइट हैंड साइड. 8, 7, 3 and 5. That is 5,378. Now move to the next part, that is C part. That is C part. 43389. 43389. हम इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो हम इसको यहाँ से लिखेंगे 10,000 से 4, 3, 3, 8, 9. Okay. First you have to draw the table, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Then you have to write the questions here and then you have to write the answers. Now move to the next part, that is D. D part is 93301. 93301. Again we will start from right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो हम इसको यहां से लिखेंगे 93301. Understand students? Now move to the next part, that is E. 26308. हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. अगेन 26308. First you have to draw the table in your maths notebook, then you have to solve the sums. That is okay. Move to the next part, that is E part. If you want to take screenshot, students, you can take. Then we will move to the next part. Okay, move to the next part, that is F part. That is F part. Okay. F part, that is 119378. Again we will start from the right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. That is 1,19,378. 1,19,378. So you have to make first of all you have to make the chart, then you have to write the place value. Now move to the G part, that is 35306. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That is 35306. Now move to the next part, that is H part. 671,003. Again we will start from the right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. That is 6,71,003. हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? फ्रॉम दी लेफ्ट साइड. That is 6,71,003. Okay students, now move to the next part. IJKL is your homework. You have to do yourself. I, J, K and L is your homework. You have to do in your maths notebook. Now move to the next question, that is write the place value of encircle digit. Students, you can see here encircle digit. You have to tell the place value. Let's start with the first one, that is ones, tens. तो 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या हो गई स्टूडेंट्स? दैट इज 70. नाउ मूव towards the next part, that is 9,800. that is ones, tens, 100, 1000. that is 9,801. we have to tell the place value of 8, that is 800. now move to the next part, that is 3 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. that is 37,385. and we have to tell the place value of 3, that is 30,000. that is 30,000. now move to the next part. Again 17,803. we have to tell the place value of 8, that is 800. Next, move to the next part, that is 39,000, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, that is 39,520. तो 9 की प्लेस वैल्यू स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो गई, दैट इज 9,000. Now move to the next part, that is F part. Again, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, that is 87,134. We have to tell the place value of 1, that is 100. Okay, now move to the next part, that is 1,573. We have to tell the place value of only 3, that is 3. Now move to the next part, that is 18,505. We have to tell the place value of 8. We start from the ones, tens, 100,000. तो 8 की place value क्या हो गई students? That is 8,000. Now move to the next part. Again, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. That is 51,625. We have to place value. We have to tell the place value of 1. That is 1,000. Now move to the next part. There is mistake in this part. We have to tell the place value of 5. Okay. Let's start. That is ones, tens, 100. It will be 500. Now move to the next part. That is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. That is 38,555. And we have to tell the place value of 5. That is 50. That is 50. Now move to the next part. That is 18,473. We have to tell the place value of 1. That is 10,000. Students, you have to do this question number 1 and question number 2 in your maths notebook. Now move to the next question. That is, find the sum of place value of all these sevens for each numeral. Students, in this question, we have to tell the place value of 7 only. Okay. Let's start with this question. First, that is 7 की place value क्या रहेगी students? 7 only. We will do in this page. Wait a minute. Move to the third question. First part, that is 5, 6, 7, 7. हमें किसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है स्टूडेंट्स? ओनली 7. फर्स्ट we have to start with the 7, that is ones. Then second one 7, that is 70. Okay, you have to do this sums like this. Now move to the next part, that is P. 39,707. Again we have to tell the place value of 7. That is, again this is ones and this is 700. Now move to the next part, that is C. 35,787. Again that is ones and this is 700. Okay, now move towards the next part, that is D. I will solve you only 4 parts and rest of the parts, students, that is your homework. Now move to the next part, that is D. 65,377. Again 7, that is only once. Now move to the next, that is 70. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Tens. Now rest of the parts from E to I is your homework. Do in your maths notebook. That's all for today. Thank you, class.